Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Kylo Ren. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the eye area first. We're just going to draw one curve, just kind of dipping down. So just dip it down in the center. And then from there on the corners, just round it off, just a little bracket. And then same thing here, we're going to come all the way across, but toward the center, just kind of go up slightly. And then from the visor area, just come across, just going to draw two little bracket, just two lines on the side. And then from here, just curve in. And then we're going to come to the center, but just dip it down slightly. I know these are a little bit trickier shapes to draw. Okay, and then from there we can draw in the rest of the face going down. So right in the center right here, just gonna draw one line across. On the sides right here, just curve down. And then we'll come back in, so this is gonna be the chin area. And then we'll just close it off. Okay, and then whatever space you have here, just draw a line and close it off. And let's just go ahead and finish up the rest of the helmet, and then we'll add in the details inside. So just come out to the corner right here. You make two little marks. Go up. And then for the very top, just curve it. It's a little bit flatter on the top. And then round everything off. And then on the side here, we're going to continue this. Just curve out. Slant down. And then whatever space you have here, just hook it back up. Okay, so let's add in the cool little details here. So there's a lot of details, but we'll just simplify it. I'm just gonna draw in one line all the way around, right in between these two shapes here. So I'm just gonna come out, just curve it down. I know there's more, but I can't draw too many with these Sharpie. And we're trying to keep it simple anyway, so one is enough. And I'm just gonna make it a little bit darker. Okay, and then on the side right here, just one little angle, and let's draw in one more on the bottom. It's almost like a little spike. Okay, and then right here we can add a little bit more. Just kind of curve down. Just one little hook there. And actually, let me shade this in real quick. I think it will look a lot cooler and meaner once this is darkened. Okay, so that's the face mask, and let's move on to the body. So the body is pretty simple to draw. There's not a lot of details here. So for the neck, let's come down and then we'll just round it off. Just come out on the shoulders, nice and wide. Let's come all the way down to his waist. And then close it off. So this is gonna be the bottom of the belt. And it's got a really thick belt here, so we're gonna go up. Let's draw one more line across. And then right in the center right here, just gonna draw two more lines. And let's just continue on down and finish up this coat right here. So this one will just flare out. Close it off. And then right in the center, just one line. And even up here, there's gonna be a line right here, right in the center. Okay, so that's the body, and let's move on to the arm. So here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder coming down. And then here's the bicep area. Let's give it a slight bump. Close it off. And then for the lower arm, we'll flare this out. This one right here, slight curve. This one straight down. Close it off. And then for the fist right here, just come down with a little hook. And then here's the back of the fist. And then for this part here, we'll just tip it down and then hook it back up into the thumb. Okay, and then for some details right here, it's got some wrapping, so we're just gonna draw a bunch of lines. Alright, so let's draw in the other arm, and this one's gonna be holding the his lightsaber. So again, here's the armpit. So this one's just gonna be a little bit straighter, coming out a little bit more. Okay, shoulders coming down, and then bicep area again, just a little bracket. Close it off. So now we just continue on here. It's gonna be a little bit straighter, flare out. Just pinch it in straight and close it off. And then for his hand right here, come down, here's his thumb. It's one little hook. And then here's the palm inside here, so I'm just gonna draw one curve. And then for his other fingers, just come over here. Just draw like a little rectangle first, right behind the thumb. And then once you have this, I'm just gonna draw in 2 lines just to divide up the fingers. Alright, so now for the lightsaber, just come right around here. Let's draw 1 line. Come back in here. Let's draw another line and then close this off. So that's gonna be the bottom of the lightsaber. I'll just close that off. And then whatever space you have here to finish off the hand, just one little curve. Okay, and then now for the middle part here. So I'm just gonna extend these lines. Close it off first. And then it's got those things coming off the side. So I'm just gonna draw another square on each side. And then right here. Okay, so just curve it out. It's gonna be sharp on the tip. And then for this part here, we're just gonna continue with this line here. And I won't make it so long because I'm gonna run out of paper space. Okay, so whatever slants you have, just keep going out and you can make it as long as you want. And my end's right there, a little bit short because of the paper space. So, alright, so you get the idea. And then to finish off the arm right here, same thing here, we're just gonna add a couple of lines for the wrappings. Okay, so now let's continue on to his legs. So again, his legs are pretty easy. So here, from the side here, come down, just hook it in, and then here's the center. Just come out to the side a little bit, come down, and then same thing, just bracket in. And then here for his knee. And then for the bottom here, we'll flare out. And then let's close that off, and then we'll work on the other leg first. Okay, so same thing here. Right on the side, just come down, hook, center, just come over, come down, and then just hook it in again. And then for his knee, same thing here, just a little bracket, and then we'll flare out, just like the other side. Close it off. Alright, so now let's finish up the legs, and then coming down here, it's gonna be a little bit straighter. Slight curve going up. And then for the boot, just come down and curve out a little bit more on this side. Close this off, and then let's just add in one little line from the bottom. Okay, so same thing here. Just use the other side for reference. Curve down and just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off and then one line again. And then it's got some details right here. I'm just gonna add in a couple of straps. Oh, and I almost forgot. Let's add in a little bit more detail right here. We should add in one little line right here on the border for the mask area. So just follow whatever line you have at the top. Alright, so that's the overall body, and if you want to add in the cloak here or the robe, it's pretty easy. Just start out on the side right here. Just curve out. So same thing here. Just gonna curve it out. And we can add in a little detail. Just another border. And then what you have to do is just erase out these lines right here. Okay, so that's the top part. So this one's gonna flow down. Okay, right around here in the arm. We'll just go all the way down. So same thing here. It's gonna come down right behind the hand right there. So we just come down. And then whatever space you have here, just kind of close everything off, but just add a little bit of waviness to it. Alright, so that is it for this Kylo Ren. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.